This for Tyrone West. This for Anthony Anderson. This for George Floyd. This for Emmett Till. This for all the black people you killed in America and use your courts to do it. Justifiable homicide. Yeah. Well, I stood up against it. Y'all came in my house and put guns in my head. Y'all threatened my life on more than one occasions. Art and activism, the art of protest. You can kill a revolutionary, but you can't kill a revolution. I got Fred Hampton in me. I got Martin Luther King in me. I got Malcolm X in me. I got Thurgood Marshall in me. Yeah, that makes me who I am. I got Marcus Garvey in me. And I'm the clown around town. Remember that. I'm the clown. That's me. Shorty's bootleg barbecue. So good, I'm illegal. I'm the king of fools. And you're going to learn something from a fool today. See that? That's Dwayne G. Davis. I own me. I own me since 1998. All right? That's Asselbrook. Call us potty training politicians. Let this go to your head. That's Ryan Dorsey. Ask him how long he been knowing me. That's 2009, long before I got locked up. 1402 Lochner. You kidnapped me from my home. That's President Barack Obama. See that? All right? That's President Obama. This is Dwayne G. Davis. I'm a whistleblower on your courts and the corruption in your courts. See that? Police. That's Judge Badar and Chief Justice Roberts of the Supreme Court. That black girl magic caused a lot of black men pain. I applied for Martin Luther King's job and y'all got mad. That's P.O. Box 38, Lake County, Illinois. We talking about Lake County and Baltimore County detention centers. All right? And Marilyn Mosby had all that. Nick Mosby had all that. That's President Barack Obama. Welcome to the shit show. I got a lot of shit to show you. All right? That's Marilyn Mosby. She an ex-felon now. That's Mick Mosby. He out of work. So y'all can work for me. Matter of fact, that's what I'm going to make you do. I'm going to make you the clowns around town. You my poster children. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. That's the Baltimore Sun and the Lake County Sun. I'm showing you the role the media plays in misinformation, an anti-violence plan. All right? Like I said, 2007, Chief Justice Roberts of the Supreme Court. I am Dred Scott. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? Because she's been sitting on this evidence since 2014. That's Governor Westmore. I never got a trial. Right here. That's Adam May, Spring Grove Medical Facility. You feel me? Dwayne G. Davis, Linda Dodge, Parole and Probation. WJZ. That's President Obama. And that's Ivan Bates. You got knowledge of corruption and you ain't open your mouth. That's the Baltimore Sun, ABC 98 Rock, Freedom of Information Act. That's Ivan Bates, and that's Mayor O'Malley, Governor O'Malley. That's Jared Jimenez. We talking about voter suppression. Voter suppression. That's Eric Holder, Department of Justice. And that's me, 2009, Dwayne G. Davis, 1402 Lochner. Mailing address, WVON, Roland Martin. You see Roland Martin? He got that too. That's my dog, Whitey. I don't need 1 million people to march. I need 1 million people to pay attention. And people love Whitey. Whitey on his job. Call it potty training politicians. Y'all did Shorty pull your mask up? No, Shorty stopped shitting on me. Yeah, Shorty stopped shitting on me. You took property from me. Under the 4th Amendment of the Constitution, you got to return my property. That property was worth $250 million. It was about Baltimore and your police and your city hall, your corruption in your court. Did you use the toilet today? You're going to think about me tomorrow. Ask President Trump. I'm selling toilets and you're my #1 seller. You feel me? You pushing my product. That's Mayor Brandon Scott, and he bought a toilet. That's St. Paul School for Boys. All right? The supporters of Shorties. I was doing a documentary about race and racism, and I used white people to do it. Governor Westmore got it in 2023. Judge Carrion got it. All right? I never got a trial. But y'all want to try me in the public. So I'm going to do the same thing to you. The campaign of public shame. People get to see this shit. Did you use the toilet today? I'm potty training politicians. People paying attention too. This is free artwork in the city. That's Governor Hogan. Remember that. That's Governor Hogan. You talking about monopoly and the money you make off black bodies. Remember President Trump when he took the 2-page ad about the Central Park 5? That's the Secret Service. That's President Trump. And that's Pam Woods. And that's me in 1986 about the prison industry. You feel me? About the prison industry in 1986. And these are the supporters of Shorties. These are the white people supporting my social scientific experiment. That's Senator Ben Cardin's. And that's me. You see the toilet? See the head? That's the head. That's the head. That's the Department of Justice. Commissioner Batts. Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake. Councilman Brandon Scott. Councilman Branch and Councilman Coran. Internal Affairs Investigation, 2010. Y'all came in my house and put guns in my head. Y'all threatened my life. And it ain't just Brandon Scott. That's Justin Burke, ABC2. That's the city solicitor. Everything that the city solicitor got. That's WJZ, Mike Shue, Richard Sher, Mary Bubala, Vic Carter. Y'all got to play the whole hour-and-a-half interview. And that's Melissa from the President Bush's office. I've been doing this since Bush. I've been doing this since 2007, and you was in it. A documentary about the politics and the war on drugs. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. That's Mayor Martin O'Malley, 2006. Get Shorty. And that's Shorty. You feel me? And that's Mayor Brandon Scott, and that's Shorty. Brandon Scott selling my shit. You feel me? He bought a toilet. Cash App. Dwayne G. Davis, Facebook and Twitter. Short man. Google and Bing me. You feel me? You and I spoke on September 2013 requesting your request for records for your supervision file number. Alright? That's my file number. Specifically in all DVDs and CDs that you provided to the Division of Parole and Probation. You feel me? I was making a documentary about going through parole and probation, and you got it. In May of 2012, you provided with all the records contained in the supervision file. No, I didn't. You never sent them to me. At that time, I advised that all the DVDs contained with the files could not be produced. Why can't you produce the DVDs? Regarding the toilet. All right? So I'm building you another toilet. That's public safety, parole and probation. So I'm going to build y'all another toilet right here so we can get this all done with. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. That's Mayor Brandon Scott and President Trump. We potty training politicians. People pay attention to dumbass shit. And that's the Department of Justice. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. You feel me? That's Mayor Brandon Scott. And that's Mayor Brandon Scott. You in a world of shit.